Claude is similar to Google's Gemini and ChatGPT. It has become a popular AI assistant and AI ecosystem. Now, what makes Claude stand out is their AI connectors. These integrate Claude AI with your favorite third-party apps like Xero, Gmail, Google Calendar, Shopify, and more. These connections allow Claude AI to access data, perform tasks, analyze, and automate activities across your apps. It's incredible what you can do inside of Claude Chat when connecting your favorite apps. And today I'm excited to share what is possible with the Claude Gmail connector. Now first we need to integrate Gmail with Claude. To do that, simply navigate over to the left-hand side, locate Customize, then Connectors, and then click Add New, browse Connectors, and search for Gmail down here under Search Connectors, or click on Gmail if you can find it down here, and simply connect Gmail. Choose the Google account you want to connect, and hit Continue. Make sure you give access, and then jump over to Gmail. And this is where you can manage all app permissions across your different apps that you've connected with Claude. Now, when you add a prompt and it uses a specific permission, you'll be asked inside the Claude chat interface to approve that permission. Okay, now that we've integrated Gmail, simply navigate over to a new chat and then come down here. We can manage our entire inbox and emailing activity in this Claude chat. Okay, so what are some use cases? Well, here's an example. I added, please give me a summary of all emails from those that have reached out to me about creating a sponsored video over the last 3 days. Let's hit enter. And that's going to connect with the Gmail integration. As you can see, Claude has connected with my Gmail inbox and identified 5 emails that are related to sponsorship outreach. In total, 5 sponsorship inquiries from 5 different companies, one with the follow-up, would you like to draft replies to any of these? And as mentioned here, what we can do is we can reply by drafting an email inside of Claude. For example, yes, respond to all 5 and include this media kit, which is attached. I can navigate down and add resources to this response. For me, that's this media kit here. And let's go ahead and hit enter. And what Claude's going to do is draft 5 replies simultaneously, each personalized to the sender and including your media kit details. As you can see, this is a lot quicker than me jumping into my email inbox, locating each recipient, and responding with personalized information and this media kit. Why not let Claude do it all for me? Navigate down, click on Always Allow, and here we have a recap of all draft emails created. Let's jump into my draft folder inside of Gmail and check out these responses. And here you can see a response that Claude has generated for me. All I need to do is navigate down here and send or schedule this email response. Now you can see all the data from my media kit has been added in here. This is from the attached PDF media kit that I uploaded inside of Claude. Pretty cool, huh? Again, you can leverage the Gmail connector inside of Claude to understand, analyze, and sort your different email activity, as well as draft responses and more. And that is everything I wanted to cover in this Claude Gmail integration. Now, if you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.